Hello friends, me Shivam Raj with my friend Sneha Samal. So, this is our 29th day for 365 the challenge to improve our English and do continuous podcast. So, we debate on assignment today, and I will support and he will oppose. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. So, me Shivam Raj from Nalanda, Bihar, which is also known for the one of the most ancient university in the world. Me learned some skills and created some project. With the help of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I created some about me website, then portfolio, some clones like Flipkart clone, Amazon clone, Shopsy clone. And with the help of IoT, we created a mini project. We worked on a mini project. We with the help of IoT, and that project was clean water and sanitation. Um, it was to predict. It was to determine the quality of quality of water. Then
Mm.
we done another mini project on Flutter. So it was to store and manipulate data in it. Um, in React, we are creating a mini project as a quick commerce application. Its name is Evercard. Its front end is done, but database and backend part is remaining where we are working. Then me participated two times in hackathon, one for problem solving skill and another one for creating a full stack application. It was a stocks P. So in a stocks P, actually we are try to predict the price of a share, actual real share for upcoming days for traders. Then me, I passed two NPTEL courses. One is responsible and safe AI, and second is sustainable design and sustainable system design and sustainability. So yeah, that's all about me. You introduce.
Okay, I am Stasi Samal and I'm from Bangalore, but I'm just pursuing my BE in computer science engineering. And I have interned as a web developer also, and where we have done some projects also, like Evercard, that is a quick commerce website we have done. That is based on like full stack development, as we are using our front end, back end, and databases and all APIs. We will implement it. So front end part is done, back end little work done, but we will do once again and all we will rebuild. And also we have also done some of the different projects like MIT, that is clean water and sanitation earlier, and this is used to like no, you will keep on water and basically it will basically check if it is pure or not. And also we have done a project in hackathon where we have went to DSATM and we have created a project about I think stock prediction, that is basically it takes some data and all of previous years and give it in a graph position and predict the future trends. And also I have done my some certification I've done, like got it from Oracle and from JP Morgan. And yeah, that's it about me.
So today's topic is assignment should not be given in college. So what do you think about disadvantage of giving assignment?
Okay, disadvantage of giving assignment. Now basically like it is a time waste for us, I can say.
Hmm. But you get the number after writing assignment.
Instead of writing assignment, they can give us like to talk in people everyone like no, you will get a presentation and you can do it instead of wasting our time to write and all, and it is like very much time waste.
You think you are wasting time, but you are getting number also. Your average will increase. You practice some question which will be in internal also.
but that is not practicing. Like they are giving very much less amount of time, and you are saying that okay, they are giving marks, but also like this is not to learn. They are basically giving for marks, and we are just writing and all directly, continuously, like without studying and all.
Yeah, then it is important. Then it is actually college is for CGPA. Then it is important. We are getting some
I-
numbers. Our
Instead of
average.
assignment writing giving, they can do a presentation also, right? Why they are giving like to write and all? They should
But
not.
actually, in most of the subjects, like last semester, DVMS, Advanced Java, in DVMS also they taken presentation. In Advanced Java also they taken presentation. And every subject's assignment is compulsory. I think not one. It was I guess three assignment for each subject. In DVMS also advanced Java also. Then React also we written one presentation. So and in React, ma'am taken two presentation, assignment also, presentation also. Then everyone taking presentation, assignment, everything. So it is it is very important to it is very important for scoring good marks. Then
Yeah, you're saying good marks, but I can say like okay, they are giving marks, but instead of that, they're why they are giving them like no, they exam. Instead of exam, they can give like directly assignment. Why they are wasting time? Like okay, they are giving, but why they are giving in the last of this semester and all, last of exam in the exam time? So basically they are giving assignment, and the wasting of time, I can say, like for internals or external exam, we are not reading, like we cannot don't have the time to read, and they are giving assignment directly. That is a very much bad thing they are doing.
that time it is not good, but they are giving all those questions which will we in internal
They can say
maybe.
no, they can say the question instead of writing. Why are they saying that you should write, you should do presentation, you should do report? What is the use of that? Instead of that, they can say only the question, you should study this much, it is very much important for
Mm.
your exam. They can say like that, right? Why they are doing that?
Yeah, they can share those question before 15 day before exam. It is okay. But they are sharing one day before internal or one day, 2 day, 2 day, 3 day before internal. Or maybe sometimes like just after internal, one day after internal, you must have to submit. Yeah, in this case, it is not good. But for some cases, like for random days, like write assignment and submit, then it is good. Then writing assignment is good. It increased
Yeah,
number around 10%, 20%.
only 10%, 20%, they are wasting like no, like 2 to 3 days. Like we are continuous, like they are giving 20 questions, and they are saying like within 2 days you should give. This is actually bad. Like they
Mm.
are doing many questions in and they are giving the time very much less, not a week also.
Then how many days you want to write assignment?
If they want to give, they should give like around 15 to 20 days. So basically we can write around like slowly we can write, we can understand and write, we can directly, instead of like rushing the paper like this like, this is like how
Bro,
we can learn.
it is human behavior that if you have a work for 15 days, you will work after 14 days. If you have a work for 4 days, you will complete it after 3 days. If you have a work for only 1 day, you will complete it within 6 hour, 12 hour.
But serious
Mm.
condition, some people don't like, some people they need some days to complete slowly, not at the
Mm.
last day. Some people, yeah. they also need some time to write. They also need some peaceful mind every day. They don't want to rush like a bullet train.
Hmm.
Also, by the
Actually,
way, bullet train
writing,
also not came correctly. Yeah, but the
actually
assignment is
the
like bullet train.
actually the mentality of writing assignment is not to score marks. It is just to write all those questions, not
Why?
to improve.
Why?
Because assignment will give you around 45, 46 number. At it is the most number, minimum number you will get, 45,
What else
48
you
number.
will get? You are saying only marks you will get. What else you will get?
What else? Nothing.
Then why are
Question,
you wasting?
not wasting, revising. Maybe those questions will come in internal, external. Not maybe. In most of the
Are you really revising, or you are not studying, not studied, and only you have just kept the question in a way like you are not studied and you write like open the chat GPT, give them an answer, and you wrote. Say me the truth.
Yeah, I will give every time all copy all the question and give it to any AI and ask that give me answer in a examination format so that I can score good marks. Every time I do same thing, but
Then,
I need
then
those.
what is the benefit? You only got the marks. You are not secured the knowledge also.
Yeah, not secured. That's what I am saying.
Not only that is a disadvantage. I'm saying
Not getting any knowledge is not a disadvantage. Actually, writing assignment is to score good marks and get some question from teacher side.
and also our pen also it is like the ink is going to empty. The
Hmm.
teachers are not giving the pen also. Why?
Huh? What? What empty? Say again.
We are wasting our money also by writing assignments.
Hmm. What? What? What assignment? Say again.
We are writing assignment and we don't have
Hmm.
pen. Like if we have pen, the ink has been like khatam empty.
Huh.
So they should give some money. Like take this money and you should write. Why?
Okay.
They are not.
Because you are studying, not he is studying. You want to get a CGPA scorecard, not he want to give you. Actually, he is not to give you any scorecard. He is only come to complete 1 hour in one class, whether he is standing, he is talking, he is going in gallery and walking, whether he came half hour late or whether he went half hour before. He d- in college, teachers like these teachers like come and go. He will explain you something you are getting, not getting doesn't matter. If not
Hmm.
getting, ask him if you want to ask, but not to Ajay BN.
Ajay,
Why Ajay
if you
BN?
go there, he'll say, "Do I'm dash." And then,
Why you? He's like, why you came here? You should not
yeah,
come here. I will come. I will
yes.
come.
You have not taken permission. Why? And one day I
And
just
you,
gave the exam, and he told, "Why is the biscuit wrapper is here? Did you eaten?" I told, "No, I have not eaten." Then he told, "Yeah, you have to tell me, no, the wrapper is here, so take it out." I told,
yeah.
I just become silent. I told, let he will say
What I
something
can,
bad.
what I can say to each question. Actually, each question is not good question. Not good question. Actually, each question is not a question.
It is not a question, it is unknown question that cannot be answered.
Yeah. So for those kind of teacher, you can't ask anything in class or anywhere. Just attend class,
And
get attendance.
one teacher told, you like I think that React JS ma'am told no that day, okay, you have exam, go there and write the exam and shut up and commit. Don't
Hmm.
talk to him directly. You come, don't talk with him anything. Don't say
Hmm.
anything.
Hmm.
Only say for why your question. Why your question you can say.
Yes. So
Yeah.
for those teachers, you should not ask any question. Just go attend, write assignment. As he told, he will give you around 45 number. That's it.
Yeah.
Importance of importance of assignment.
Yes.
Bro, that's it about assignment. So at the end, conclusion, can you conclude benefit and advantage, disadvantage of writing
I will say
assignment?
about I will say the disadvantage. You say the advantage because I'm not
Hmm.
satisfied. Disadvantage is you are wasting your time. Disadvantage is like you are wasting your money also, like your pen, pencil, scale,
Paper, paper.
paper. Yes, to buying a book, new book, and also like taking like your money, like reports and all you will giving hundred of money you are just giving out. That's a disadvantage. I guess.
And advantage, you will get some marks and free marks. Those are around 45, 60, 45, 50 marks will be free of cost, and it will be not free of cost. You have to write some question answer like very easily you can score 45, 50 marks, and it will improve average marks. Then maybe sometime you will get some good question or important question from those assignment question. Like I we got in React, ma'am told already these are the important question. So for those things, another advantage you will maybe you get some good question which will come in internal, external.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. These are the advantage.
Hey, come on.
So that's all about today's topic.
That's it. Come on. Guys, if you like the video, just like, comment, share it, subscribe, and follow it to get daily vlogs, podcasts, reels.
Yeah. Im- Improve your communication with listening skills with a
Yes.
good topics. So yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
Bye bye. See you. See you
Alright,
tomorrow. Bye
guys.
bye.
Jai Hind.